Please, the word come for my rescue. Please, I beg the word to come for my rescue. My son they took from me from 6 months ago. They have never come back. But they want to give me corona today. Hey, God. The word come for my rescue. Please, the word. They took my son away from me, my first son. And they have been promising me that they are going to bring back my son for me. And my lawyer is working on that. And now they are telling me that they want to tie me down, that I have corona. They want to tie me down, that I should not leave home. They want to tie me down with some medication. Because of that, I am afraid. Because my son is not back. A lot of women got mad. Because when they take your child from you, they may vaccinate you and inject you. You got mad. Or you cannot be okay. Please, the word, come for me. Please, the word, come for my rescue. Please, the word, come for my rescue. I am dying in silence. I am dying in bondage. Please, the word. Why am I doing this video? Because a lot of people, they tell me, say, "My, come up for the country. If I no want stay, if they hurt me." But they kidnap my son from me. They own my son. They own my son. And they deceive me with their plastic card. They agree for me to stay the land. But I have not seen my son. They take my first son and they accuse me of beating my son. So they advise me to delete all the video they have been making. First time, and the very mistake I make, that son they took from me, he come back from school. That was last 2 years. Then he hear a teacher and from a girl from UGA was talking that they will keep on giving me a stress. Then I will frustrate. I will not afford to take care of the children. They are going to take the children from me. When the son got home, the son told me, "Oh." Then instead of me to go to police, I made the mistake. Then I go the girl that said it. I go in office. Then the girl started begging me to not tell police, to not tell lawyer. Then wetin they can't do, they can't resign the girl for the work. They can't pursue the teacher from the school because what he said. That he will keep on giving me a stress until they take my children from me. They can't release those. They can't come out there for school. That girl wey dey work for you guys, they ban that may not come there again. Then the teacher of the school, they ban that may not go to school again. They can't stay at home. Then they come another social come dey help me. Wetin I tell make mistake, I supposed to go leave the country that time. But that time they beg me, they give me assurance, say nobody is taking my children from me. Say that girl is just lying. The teacher is lying. I should not mind them. Say they have drive them away. You understand? So that guarantee, I never go for lawyer again. I never go for police again. Then I stay home. Then after a year time, they can't take the son from me. You understand? So now wetin make I dey do video now because of wetin happen to me. I never fast about it. That is why if anything they go on, I like do video, make the world they know. Because that time I made a very big mistake. Because I did not work fast on that thing. You understand? So now they tell me say we before when they ask my two small children, the daughter, the first son. They say me and him, we have to stay for quarantine, but the rest children, the two girls is free. And the baby when I get for inside, that one is just 1 year plus, you don't have corona. Then the other girl that's 6 years, they don't have corona. Then it's the other senior boy have corona and me. You understand? And when we did the test yesterday, they did not give me result. They sent the result to this man that contacted this doctor for me. And he's the man that knocked in my door this morning. Then he's telling me this, that I should not leave home. He will be buying food for me. And I said, I will not take anything from you people. And this man have come about 3 days ago. And 4 days ago, he brings some letter for me to sign. I said, why am I signing this letter? He said, because he have to do test for my children for school. He said, I should sign this paper. I said, why? He said, if I did not sign the paper, he will not, my children will not be in school. Then, and me now, I'm a good mother and I want the best for my children. So I have to sign that paper the day before. That was 4 days ago. Then 3 days ago, the teacher now called me from the school that my son have corona, that I should come and take 2 of them from the school. Then I have to go to doctor that day. And they are not guaranteed, they're not flying doctor down for me. And I say, this one I just set doctor down for me. Me they fear I wish you don't give me my son when I take back from me now. I go trust you now. I know anything one I want to do with me, I know talk say na lie, na fake. But now my son is not back. The son you people took from me. And you people now, when I agree for say una I get corona now, my son get corona, una go give me vaccine, I die or I run mad. You understand? Then una can't take the children when una say when I want take for long. This is the problem. Now wait till I hear. Now you make I dey react like this, my brothers and sisters. Not maybe I'm fool. You see me crying like this, I am not a fool, please. You people, when you don't call me, says thank you. May God bless you all. May God protect you. May God secure you. Please, my number is there. Add me on WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp, please. Add me on WhatsApp and talk to me on phone, please. I need your console. I need your what you will tell me to know what to do next, and I will also explain to you. And a lot of people, they don't understand when I am talking. That is why I'm continue doing this live video again. This is what is going on. You know, you're supposed to know when they take a charge from you, they want to damage you also, for you to not got that son. That is why, and this thing they are doing now is to damage me. Not maybe I have corona, not maybe my son have corona. I am not sick. I am very okay. It's my son they saw they have corona from school. And now they send me too now. So go the test yesterday. They say me too, I get corona. They say I should be at home. They will be buying food for me. Then I asked them, why will you be the one to buy food for me? He was telling me that I don't have boyfriend. I don't have man. I don't have woman. That is why he decided to help me. I said, no, I don't need your food. I don't need anything. Because it's a poison, he will poison me. Then he said, okay, no problem. I am not allowed to come out his side. I will be his side. You understand? Then I asked him that I don't have the right to go for another doctor. He said, no, you don't have the right. It's only the doctor will volunteer for you, you will go. Then I now started videoing the man. Then I started videoing now. Now he changed topic. He said, okay, if you want to go to doctor, you can go. But you don't allow to go to supermarket. Now I said, but me, I'm not having friend. I don't go to anywhere. It's only my children's school I used to go. It means that all these teachers have corona in school. Or you two that also come about 4 days ago and give me some paper to sign. It means that you also have corona. He said he also have to go and do a test. The teacher have to also go do it. Okay, all my neighbors also have corona. All the people that are visiting me, they have corona. Then he said, which people that visit you, bring their name. Do you understand? I said, why will I give you their name? So the Marco. So what make me do this video? Because I wish they don't bring back my son for me. I don't go afraid. Do you understand? But they have never bring back my son. And they are be carrying me down to not be doing live video for this. To not be telling anybody about my son. That they are going to bring back my son for me. But now they are bringing this issue now. And this issue now, you as a Africa, as a wisdom man, you're supposed to know that these people are planning for me. And before they are planning already, and they settle me with that. They pursue the girl from Uganda. They pursue the teacher from the school that said that when my son here. They now promise me that nobody. Now that month said they give me documents for them to calm me down. For me to not go for police and lawyer and tell lawyer say, see what teacher talk for school and he get for Uganda. Talk and my son here. They now bribe me with a document. They now pursue the teacher from the school. They pursue the girl from the Uganda. That was last 2 years. Last 2 years, yeah. They now give me a document. They now promise me that nobody is taking my child. Then after the case don't go, it don't die small. They can't take back the son when he talk the thing. The son when he tell me, say, mommy, see what they say they want to do to you. I hear when they talk with Dutch for school. They can't take the son. They say the son and tell they say I beat her. And this is the son that is fighting for me. Say, mommy, see what they talk for your back with Dutch. You didn't understand? And later on, the lawyer I take first time, that one he tell me. He said my son is fighting them for where they carry and put. Say he won't come back home. It means that my son is innocent. And they told me that the son said it before, but later he said, no, I did not beat him. You know? But now I have not speak with my son. I have not seen my son. I have not talked with my son. But they keep on telling me to be patient. They are going to bring back my son for me. I should not be doing live video. If anyone call me, I should tell them that I have seen my son. I have speak with my son. They will be telling me that. including the police, tell me to work with them. They are going to bring back my son. I should delete all the video that I make before. True, I delete all the video. Now they are coming with corona. I don't have to have the secret. Hide it for no one because I am afraid of my life, because I know them already. And I know what I'm facing, and I know what I hear from them when they are talking. That is why I'm doing this video. Please try and watch my video. Don't ask me questions when you call me, because I don't get straight to the talk. Because there are people when you go call you, you not talk to them, you go the verse. That is why they do live video, make you know what they go on with me. And thank you as you call. If you cannot feel reach me, please just leave your message for me. I will play your voice record. Talk with voice record for me. I go hear what you tell me for WhatsApp. My number is there. I write my number and I write C. Please call me with that number. Please add me on WhatsApp and voice me. If you come across this video, whatever you want to tell me, whatever number you want to send me on WhatsApp. If you cannot reach me on WhatsApp, you can also call me in direct number. Please. I wish my son is back. I will not be afraid, or as they come with corona issue. Now I am afraid that they can eject me for me to run mad or kill me. I did not trust them anymore because my son heard them when they are saying it. And because of that, they pursued the teacher and the girl from the school. And the truth I tell you now, I know the lie. Thank you. And if you don't understand what I talk, just leave a message for me for WhatsApp. I will make you understand. Please.